Alright guys, you haven't seen this in months. That's my cousin's 2010 Everstar 2000 BTU portable type air conditioner running in common and high. The fan is strong and it has much airflow. Man, the fan's so powerful. I'm telling you, it's as much airflow. I'm not even joking. Alright, so here's the second air conditioner. This is the York 3-ton 14-tier heat pump. It's not running. And here's the day of sheet. My camera doesn't focus very well. It is hard to see. Uh, yep, it's not focused very well. Alright, here's the last air conditioner. That's my uncle's 2023 General Electric 5000 BTU window air conditioner. It's also not running. Here's the compressor. It has a ton of rust on the compressor. And here's the fan motor. It looks pretty new. And it also uses auto to refrigerant. And the coil. And the 2017 Gourmet Package 5-ton heat pump is just done on cool mode. So as I was saying, the coils are it's already smushed, but not much, but only a little bit. Yeah. The drain hose starts to get rust. Ugh, that's nasty. And there's nasty stuff on the bottom. You see that? Yeah, that's nasty. Yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching and over and out.